Grammar exercise for beginners number 2. A or on number 2. School bag. S consonant. A school bag. Pot plant. P consonant. A pot plant. Board. B consonant. A board. Eagle. Vowel. An eagle. Frog. Consonant. A frog. Orange ball. Vowel. An orange ball. Wing. Consonant. A wing. Woman. Consonant. A woman. Ball. Consonant. A ball. Phone. Consonant. A phone. Door. Consonant. A door. Ear. Vowel. An ear. Dress. Consonant. A dress. Uniform. This is a vowel, but with a consonant sound, so it will have to be a uniform. Ant. Vowel. An ant. Friend. Consonant. A friend. Printer. Consonant. A printer. Exercise. Vowel. An exercise. Dictionary. Consonant. A dictionary. Clock. Consonant. A clock. Watch. Consonant. A watch. Car. Consonant. A car. Idol. Vowel. An idol. Kiss. Consonant. A kiss. Reporter. Consonant. A reporter. Shirt. Consonant. A shirt. Lamp. Consonant. A lamp. Ant. Vowel. An ant. Apple. Vowel. An apple. Actress. Vowel. An actress. Cupboard. Consonant. A cupboard. Elevator. Vowel. An elevator. Mountain bike. Consonant. A mountain bike. Plant. Consonant. A plant. Insect. Vowel. An insect. Fridge. Consonant. A fridge. Owl. Vowel. An owl. Brother. Consonant. A brother. Entertainer. Vowel. An entertainer. System. A consonant. A system.